chasing 241 runs. Sanand Sangwan, 9 not out. Yash Dole, 17 undefeated in that partnership of 30. He'll be up against this man, Himanshu Sangwan.
शुरू में अपील जरूर हुई है, पर यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि लेग स्टंप को मिस कर रही थी। बॉल कैरी नहीं हुआ और उस गैप में भी गया। इस बार पूरी तरीके से इस शॉट में अपनी ताकत झोंकते हुए।
Beautifully struck there. Stand there and admire that shot, young man. That's a beauty.
Tucked away on the onside. A couple of runs at least for the left-handed Sanath. They're running hard, looking to convert it into a 3. And looks like the ball has won the race out there. Goes off the edge, and that'll go to the boundary as well.
अच्छा लाइन, अच्छा लेंथ कुणाल द्वारा.
Change of angle for the left-hander, and he's given. He thought about it, he had a long look, and then he decided that Ashdul was in front of the stumps. And Ashdul can't believe it.
32 पर आउट यशदुल, 78 for 2 Delhi.
And out comes the man they've been waiting for. The huge roar from the crowd. Greets Virat Kohli on his return to the Delhi lineup after 12 years at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. All the cameras are in action in the stands. The crowd clicking pictures of the hero.
ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है। इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं। बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफिक एकदम सीधा।
Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump. Knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan.
जी हाँ, ये लम्हा सांगवान को हमेशा याद रहेगा। इससे पिछली गेंद पे चौका जरूर खाया था, पर इस गेंद को बैट और पैड के बीच में से उस गैप को निकालते हुए ऑफ स्टंप को इस तरीके से उड़ाते हुए विराट कोहली को पेविलियन भिजवाते हुए। जी हां, विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के दिल्ली मुश्किलों में 86 पे 3।
Ayush Badoni, the skipper, out there in the middle.
बाउंड्री मिलती हुई राहत की सांस मिली होगी इस समय।
Nicely struck. Will get a boundary as well. Back-to-back boundaries for Ayush Badoni.
And another wicket here for Sangwan. He's on fire. He picked up the wicket of Virat Kohli in the previous over. Now he cleans up Sanath. And he's brought Railways back into this game.
30 पर लौटेंगे सनत. दिल्ली 97 for 4.
Sumit Mathur has walked out to bat.
बट ये शॉट देखिए यहाँ पर, अपने पाले में गेंद को पाया और माथुर ने चौके से अपना खाता खोला यहाँ पर.
He doesn't mind playing aggressive shots, Badoni. This time around, he goes up and over. Tucked away nicely, and once again, he's been very good in running between the wickets. He's put the pressure on the fielder. And that's a very ordinary effort that.
यहाँ पर कदमों का इस्तेमाल और बेहतरीन शॉट साइड स्क्रीन पर छक्का जड़ते हुए.
Once again, the edge fetching a boundary to the batter.
Down the track, over the top. Will it go all the way? Just a bounce or two before the ropes. Beautifully struck, inside out, over extra cover. Perhaps one of the most difficult shots in the cricketing manual. That's in the air. There is a fielder. Great effort. Fabulous effort this from the fielder at fine leg. Pulled away nicely. That'll be 4. The 150 of the Delhi innings coming up with that boundary. Just over the outstretched hands of mid-on. There it is. A well-made 50 this for the skipper Ayush Badoni of 34 deliveries, a strike rate 147. There's the skipper, there's the coach standing up there and applauding the achievements of the skipper. There it is, a nice easy single to go into lunch. And just wait for the umpire to signal time for lunch. There it is, time for lunch. Delhi after 42 overs, 168 for 4, trail by 73 runs. A 50-50 session. There it is, 32 overs, 127 runs and 3 wickets, including the big wicket of Virat Kohli.
दोनों बल्लेबाज यहाँ पे दिल्ली की कमान संभाले हुए, बदोनी खासकर 36 गेंदों में 52 रन बना के दबाव डाला हुआ है उन्होंने। सुमित माथुर 28 नाबाद पे वो खेलते हुए, अपना समय लेते हुए।
Rahul Sharma will start the proceedings after lunch. Reaching out on that occasion.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, काफी कंट्रोल मैनर में स्ट्रोक को खेलते हुए, बाउंड्री कलेक्ट करते हुए।
Nicely played on the back foot. That's superbly timed.
शॉर्ट गेंद और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाते हुए।
Oh, this is fabulous stuff from Ayush Badoni.
Pulls that one away. Misfield will get a boundary. That's in the air, over the top. What a shot this! Absolute cracker. And again, this time, gone all the way. Going, and it's gone. Down the track again, over the top. Will move to 99. That's maximum. And Ayush Badoni really turning it on here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. There it is, in the air. There is a fielder there, straight to him. Gone on 99 is the skipper. Just a little impatience costs the skipper of Delhi his wicket on 99 well-played runs.
99 पर आयुष बदोनी आउट, दिल्ली 230 पे 4.
And Rajvanshi, the wicket-keeper batter, is out in the middle.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, अच्छी टाइमिंग, फील्डर को हार माननी पड़ी आखिर में जाके। लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, कमाल का स्ट्रोक, लाजवाब स्ट्रोक। जब भी चौका मारते हैं वो टाइमिंग उसके धनी दिखते हैं।
Just wait for the umpire's signal. It's off the bat. 4 runs, brings up the 50 for Sumit Mathur as well. 53. Applause from the Delhi dressing room. The coach there, he's a happy man.
इस बार इनसाइड द लाइन रुके और एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर।
Well, he'll get a boundary for that. Well, that certainly will be at the end of the over. The umpire calls time for tea. So the players on the second day of this Ranji Trophy Clash Group D fixture.
मोहम्मद सैफ 50 मैच का एक्सपीरियंस, 13 विकेटें, 131 डॉट बॉल्स खेली ज़रूर हैं, पर 6 चौके। ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं फर्स्ट क्लास का, पर यहाँ पे उम्मीदें बहुत।
Well, places the umpire and post-tea session underway. Beautifully struck. Don't see him loosening up. That'll be runs, 4 of them.
ये वाला शॉट चहलकदमी करके एक हाथ से,
Got him. One that kept a little low. So the option of carrying on with the spinner working for Railways.
39 पे प्रणव राजवंशी पेविलियन लौटते हुए नए बल्लेबाज शिवम.
That's nicely stroked away through the offside. Dragging it short was Ayan. Poor delivery this. Uncomfortably put away by Shivam. Pulled away. Imperiously, in fact, by Shivam Sharma for a boundary. Once again going for the pull, and this time he takes it. It's a good take this. It could have been misleading because the batter was trying to pull the ball and his eyes could have gone towards the leg side.
14 पर लौटना होगा 310 पे 7.
In the form of Siddhansh Sharma, a medium pacer out there. That'll be a boundary. Beautifully struck. That'll be a boundary. Nicely struck. It was in the slot.
Played away nicely of the pads. Just a single. And that's the end of the over. 334 for 7, Delhi. The players are leaving the field. The coach of the Delhi team is delighted. And this session, 25 overs were bowled, 62 runs were scored, just 2 wickets.